In this video, I'll show you how to turn the noise cancelling on and off on your Sony XM4. Well, to turn this on is very simple. You just need to turn the headphones on by keeping pressed the power button, and automatically the noise cancelling will be turned on. But what if you don't want noise cancelling? Well, to turn it off, there's two ways. There's one way with a smartphone and through the Sony app. And the other way, you don't need a smartphone, just with the headphones. So let's start with that one. What you'll need to do is to press the custom button that is right here, the bigger one, not the power button. You'll need to press it a few times. And I'll put right now on the screen a diagram that I found on the Sony website that will tell you what happens when you press on this button. So the first thing that will happen when you'll press this button is a voice telling you that the ambient sound mode is turned on, and you don't want this. So you'll need to tap it again, and then you'll be hearing noise cancelling function off, ambient sound mode off. This is the mode you need to choose. So this was the way to turn the noise cancelling off using the headphones only. Now, if they are connected to the Sony app on your smartphone, you need to open the app, obviously. And from this screen, you should press on Sound, the Sound tab right in the middle. You'll need to turn off ambient sound control. So if it's on, if the toggle is this way, you need to tap it once and it will be turned off, and the noise cancelling will be turned off at the same time. So these were the two methods. I hope this was useful, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.